this self-talk is very, very powerful. It is like the basis of the reflection of the belief system that, or the beliefs that we are having, especially the negative beliefs. Now, what is the difference between a very successful person in any area and someone who is struggling? If you observe their self-talk, if that person can observe their self-talk, let's suppose even if you or anyone who is successful in, let's suppose, career and struggling in relationship, or successful in career and relationship but struggling in health part, if they observe their self-talk, they will realize the area where they are doing fantastic, their self-talk is very positive. Areas where they are struggling, the self-talk is very negative. There is self-talk going on situational basis, like this is the situation, like watching the video and responding. Then there is self-talk going about self and about yourself and your goals, where the negative self-talk is there. Like I can tell you, there is one example. There is a nutritionist who was my mentee, and she used to give consultation to many people for their weight loss and all. And there used to be a lady who was taking her nutritionist consultation from her, and she was not losing weight for 3 years. And she's coming from a rich family, no issue of money. She has all the gym membership, yoga membership, and she has this yearly nutrition membership from this nutritionist, and she was struggling. And every 3 months she used to come for consultation, 2 consultation, and say, ma'am, मैं try करूँगी. Then she vanished, and after 3 months she come back and say, I haven't lost anything, I haven't lost any weight, or I'm keep gaining, my husband is complaining, my family members are complaining, tell me what to do. And then she again vanish. So this nutritionist say, why don't you talk to my mentor, because your secondary problem is this going to gym, yoga and being consistent. Your primary problem is inside your head. And when she came for my mentoring, the problem was she was always criticizing her, because she has been carrying this thought from childhood. Like when she was as a child, she has been told, oh, you are little overweight, or you are chubby, or you are like this, or you are like that. And then she has a lot of negativity accumulated from childhood. So she was absolutely in lack of self-love. So she was not at all loving her. She was expecting that I'll give her some motivation, and I'll ask her to go for how to be consistent to gym, and I'll give her some lectures that why it's important to go to gym and yoga and all. I said, don't go to gym and yoga for some time. I said, take a month break from everything, anything that is making you feel like you are not good enough or you are struggling there. Take a break for a month. First, work on your mindset, like who you want to be, and start loving yourself. Start telling yourself that you are beautiful. Start telling yourself that you are good enough. Start telling yourself that you desire to lose weight, not for anyone else. Why you should lose weight? Because when you lose weight and get fit, you will feel better. You will look beautiful. You will stay younger. You will, in a later age, you won't have any health issues. It means you can move quickly. Then I gave her a set of 50 weight loss affirmation, which is there on our website, bigmanifestation.com. This set of 50 weight loss affirmation, I said for a month you have to say it again and again and again and again and again and again and again, so that it will go deep into your subconscious mind. And then it will start turning into your self-talk. So when you have this self-talk, change your self-talk, then everything will change. And when she did it, the best part, slowly, initially there is resistance of changing the self-talk. She felt, oh, ek hafta maine kar liya, kuch change nahi hua. I said, keep doing it. Give yourself a month time. You have given so many years of programming to the negative side. Give yourself 1 month to program positively. After a month, she started feeling better. And then I said, when you go to the gym or yoga class, what is your self-talk? And she could not understand my point. I said, when you go and go onto that treadmill, what do you think? She said, what do I think? I don't know. I said, you must be looking at other people and must be thinking, if she is perfectly fit, why she is fit, why she is in the gym, or she is heavier than me. You are comparing and looking at other people. She said, yes, I do that. And I said, what you have to do when you be there, you have to only focus on yourself. You have to only talk to yourself that I am here for just for me. If someone is better than me, great, God bless her. If someone is in a worse shape than me, God bless her. But let me focus on this person who is here. 6 months, she lost a huge amount of weight that she was not able to do it. I kept on getting messages from her months after months. Now I have a better relation, and it not just changed her physically, it transformed her relationship with her husband, it transformed her relationship with her parents, it transformed her relationship with other people. When someone else was giving her any negativity, she was not at all ready to accept. It transformed everything. And also, let's suppose, while being true, if we realize that there are some self-talk we are doing which are like really not good for us, or which is like destroying our relationship or our career or creating an hindrance in our growth. So if we are aware, we need to, rather than ignoring or rather than trying to showcase that it's not there, we have to work on them, because only when we work, we see the physical change outside. Like, let's suppose if your self-talk is negative about career or relationship or anything, sooner or later you are going to attract this exact same criticism from other people, and then you say like, oh, he or she is talking like this. So you must have heard that sometimes people say like, there is a fear of failure and also fear of success, people say. So sometimes many people want to be successful, but there is a kind of an anxiety or some belief is there, by the time you reach there, can you able to handle it or do the things that necessary. So everyone wants to be like this, kind of like reach the CEO level, but after reaching the CEO or close to that, they have this doubt, can I like meet that requirement, can I do it, can I lead all these people who seems to be more talented than me?